Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did these nails. But first, I'm going to be unboxing the Your Nail Lab box for the month of August. This month's box does have 6 variations, so you may not receive the exact same products that I got, but you will receive like the same amount of products and like the same type of products, maybe just in different colors. So I'm just going to unbox it for you guys and let you guys watch, and then I will be right back. So that was everything that came in the box. If you guys are interested in getting your own, I will have the link in the description. So moving on to the nails, I am applying this peel off base coat onto all of my nails. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to remove the nails right after I'm done filming without damaging my nails. So this has been working great for me. So I really recommend it if you guys are looking for a peel off base coat. So I'm going to do the Dupe method. So I'm going to use the full cover nails that came in the box, and I'm going to use the Makar Prep-in-1 nail glue. So I apply some of that nail glue onto the full cover nail, and then I apply the full cover nail starting from the cuticle area, and then I gently press down, and then I flash cure for about 10 seconds. And once I'm done applying them all, I do fully cure the nails in my big lamp for a full minute. So moving on to filing, I'm using a 100 grit nail file, and I'm just lightly shaping up the nails. Now I'm using the Pan 5-in-1 drill bit and a fine grit, and I'm just going around the cuticle area just to make it nice and flush to the natural nail, and also to get rid of any of that gel that spilled out while I was applying the nails. Now I'm going to remove the shine off of the nails with this buffer. You want to make sure that you don't skip this step, because if you do, your gel polish will most likely peel off. So I did clean off my nails with some alcohol off camera, and now I'm applying the Prep-in-1 onto my ring finger, and I'm going to stick on some of this glitter that was included in the box, and I'm just applying it pretty much on the entire nail, but I am leaving like little gaps here and there. And once I'm happy with how my glitter is placed, I will be curing that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm actually also going to be applying the Prep-in-1 onto all of the nails. This is going to work as a base coat, and it's also going to give the nails some extra strength. So if your nails are a little bit flimsy, I do recommend you to do this. So on the middle finger, I'm going to do an ombre. So I'm going to use the Macart gel polish in Fruit Fiesta. And I'm going to use the Beetles gel polish in 763. I'm going to start off by applying the Beetles gel polish on the nail bed area. And now I'm going to apply the Macart gel polish on the tip. And now I'm taking this little fan brush and I'm just blending the two colors together in the middle. And once I'm done blending the colors in together, I will cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm only going to apply a second layer of the Macart gel polish, and then I'm going to take the little fan brush again and I'm going to blend upwards. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats of the Vanillisa gel polish in nude pink onto the pointer finger, the pinky, and the thumb. And of course I will be curing in between each layer for 30 seconds. So on the thumb, I'm going to do an ombre with the glitter. So I'm applying some of that Prep-in-1 gel on the tip, and then I'm sticking on some of that glitter and fading it upwards. Now I'm going to encapsulate the glitter nails with the Beetles Builder Gel. So after I cured the nails for a full minute, I'm taking some alcohol and a little napkin and I'm wiping off that sticky layer. And then I'm taking my hand file to smooth out the nail. And then I'm coming in with my buffer to completely smooth out the nail and get rid of any of the little scratches that the hand file leaves behind. So Macart actually did send me these aligner gels. These are the reflective gels that they just released a little bit ago. So I will be using a couple of these for today's video. I'm going to start off by using this one here, which is called Platinum Member, which is a super pretty silver, like holographic with like some purple pink glitter in it. Super pretty. And I'm going to use this to draw a little star on the pinky. I'm going to paint on another little star with this liner here, which is called Watermelon Hype, which is a really pretty bright pink glitter. Now I am blending some of that Prep-in-1 with the Platinum Member glitter, and I am applying a little bit of that onto the middle finger. Now I'm going to be using this Poochie's Nails Bling Gel, and I'm going to apply a little bit of that on the middle finger, and then I'm going to stick on this really pretty heart bling charm, which is available on my Etsy shop. And then I'm going to take this little lamp and I'm going to cure it in place. On the ring finger, I'm going to apply this cute little Cinnamoroll charm, which is also available on my Etsy shop. On the pointer finger, I'm going to apply some rhinestone shapes. I'm not sure what these are called exactly, but I got them off of AliExpress and I will have them linked down below in the description. And I will also be applying some little rhinestones that were included in the box. And I'm using the Macart brush on rhinestone gel to glue on the smaller rhinestones. And then on the ring finger, again, I'm going to be applying these little bling charms, which are available on my Etsy. One is a little flower and then one's a little butterfly. Now I'm going to top coat my nails with the Macart top coat, and I will cure for a full minute once I'm done. So this is the final result. I really like how the nails turned out. I know they're like a little extra, but I think they're really cute. I would love to know what you guys think about these nails, so let me know in the comments. If you're interested in any of the products that I use in today's video, make sure to check out the description box, as I will have everything listed there. Also, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. I have a bunch of charms and glitters available on there. You guys can use code YouTube to save some money. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.